DocuNav Solutions is a Texas-based solution provider for Laserfish. We're based out of Frisco, Texas, just north of Dallas, and we've been implementing Laserfish for over 22 years. DocuNav Solutions is a true software company that focuses 100% of our efforts on implementing and supporting the Laserfish software. This local experience and focus and dedication has led DocuNav to having an unmatched expertise in the world of Laserfish. Recognized as the top Texas provider of Laserfish software, as well as among the top 5 worldwide providers of Laserfish. And one of the things that we're most proud of is that we're recognized as the #1 provider of Laserfish for K-12 education. At DocuNav Solutions, we provide complete support across the entire Laserfish solution, even when the issue is beyond Laserfish. And we're also proud to announce that our entire support staff, our project managers, our solutions engineers, are all gold level certified across the entire Laserfish suite of products. This helps to ensure that knowledge and experienced staff are there to help you whenever assistance is needed. And what's really great about working with so many school districts of all different sizes across the state is that DocuNav has developed a very engaged community that's focused on continuous improvement and open to sharing their experiences. As you can see, DocuNav Solutions works with school districts of all different sizes all across the state of Texas. With over 60 school districts, 4 different service centers, and higher education universities, DocuNav has a wide range of experience implementing solutions for education organizations across several different departments. Laserfish is the manufacturer of the software, which is based out of Long Beach, California. And Laserfish was really an industry pioneer in the world of documented records management. They got their start back in the late 80s, and the product has been under constant development and improvement ever since. Laserfish is continuously coming out with new versions of the software, new features and functionality to allow customers to further leverage the software to automate and streamline processes. And Laserfish isn't just something that's used in Texas or in the US. They have over 35,000 installations across the world and over 5 million users of the software. And one of the great things about Laserfish is that it's a very stable business. It's never been bought or sold and has been under the same ownership since the very beginning days. And so this helps to give you that peace of mind knowing that you have a solution that's being continuously developed and is a very stable company. And lastly, while you may not be required to purchase a Department of Defense certified application, it is nice to know that Laserfish is certified by the DoD for records management to help give you that peace of mind that your documents and records are stored inside of a very safe and secure electronic repository. Next, we have Laserfish's digital transformation model. This transformation model breaks down the process of digital transformation into 5 different phases, with the first 2 phases focus on setting the foundation of the implementation. On the first phase is focused on digitizing documents. So getting rid of the filing cabinets, the record storage warehouses, the stacks of paper on your desk, we focus on creating an electronic filing cabinet and in one central repository to store all of your documents and records. And by going to this digital repository, it allows us to better organize our content. So now documents are easily searchable, retention schedules are automatically applied and managed, and it gives us a very organized central repository to store all of our records. But Laserfish doesn't just stop there with the digitizing and organizing your documents. We take things a step further by automating and streamlining your processes utilizing the Laserfish workflow engine and web forms. And so by taking a process that begins with a piece of paper or a fillable PDF, we can completely eliminate the paper from the very first step with electronic web forms. Once these forms are submitted, Laserfish will automatically route these forms for approvals, send out email notifications, allowing you to streamline your processes from start to finish. And by going to this digital environment with these digital processes, it allows us to gain visibility into our operations and identify specific areas where we have bottlenecks or inefficiencies. And all of these kind of lead to this 5th phase of process transformation, to where now we've eliminated paper from the very first step, we've digitized our documents, organized our content, and we're automating and streamlining our processes, and now we're able to gather analytics around our processes to identify bottlenecks, identify areas where we can make improvements. So it all leads to this kind of constantly evolving process to where we're continuously innovating, continuously improving efficiencies, and increasing cost savings. If you're interested in learning more about how DocuNav and Laserfish can be utilized to help your district streamline business processes and eliminate paper document storage, please contact the DocuNav sales team and we'll be happy to help in any way that we can.